Every journey begins with a dream. On the court, one truth is clear. Winning is sweet, but it's the losses that build your strength. The ball can take everything, yet it always finds its way back. And in that moment, the choice is yours. To rise, to reset, to play smart.
We rose above the odds, so can you.
Basic!
Hello! Magandang araw mga kabisyo. Sobrang exciting talaga itong araw na ito sa mga kabisyo nating sports fans din. Because today, bukod sa ako ang kasama ninyo, ang babaeng naniniwalang hindi man ako palaging may pera, at least palagi naman ako maganda, DJ Raqi Terra, ay kasama natin ang ating very special guest, the CEO of ArenaPlus, Mr. Erick Su.
Hi, nice to meet you.
And we're gonna talk about a great milestone that is sure to get every basketball fan in the country excited. Welcome to the show, Sir Erick. How are you?
I'm good. Thank you for having me.
Are you also a fan of basketball, sir?
Oh, yeah. I watched NBA for 30 years. Yeah.
Oh!
Long time.
Love it. So let's talk about basketball before we head into the big news.
Sure.
What's really on your radar this season? Which players or teams are you watching closely?
Well, of course, Denver Nugget. I'm Jokic fan. Well, Luka also have a fantastic performance, especially last month, but unfortunately he's injured.
Mm-hmm.
Jokic is my guy.
Oh. Actually, my exes are all basketball players.
So you got a lot of knowledge.
A little bit, but
Okay.
so exciting about that, and great insights about that. No, definitely exciting to watch those players and the developments of this season. And speaking of exciting developments, ArenaPlus announced its partnership with the NBA.
Yes.
So, this is the official betting partner in the Philippines. So, what does this mean for the brand?
Well, first, I think that means a lot of trust from the NBA, and also that pass to our customer, because we are NBA official partner, and they can trust us. Because NBA is an organization, they are very, very careful choosing their partners. Most of their partners around the world are usually the top brands, the best company with high integrity. I think that's really endorsed to us to be the best and most highly integrated betting brand in Philippines. So it's very, very excited news.
Mm-hmm. And I'm also speaking with a person who is trustworthy and has an integrity.
Yes.
Very interesting. And now focusing on the fans themselves, Filipino basketball fans are known for their energy and passion. So what makes Filipino fans unique, and how does this partnership cater to them?
I think the detail they know about the game. They follow teams, follow players, follow stats, analyze. They always want to debate about it. We have a community in ArenaPlus. We have 1 million members,
Wow.
community members. They constantly voting, the debate. We do survey, and people show different opinions, and they are very passionate about it. So I think the passion. The one of the reason I think NBA want to also willing to partner with us is Philippines is the second largest member followers for NBA all over the world. Outside the US, you are the biggest one.
Really?
So you have the biggest fan base. So that's one thing we try to convince the NBA that through the partnership, we can bring more engagement for the fans with the NBA. Because now with our platform, you have different ways to play, you have different ways to engage. We were also commit to organize like fan meet party, offline watch party. We're planning a lot of activities around the fans to help them to engage with the NBA.
Wow, that's a new knowledge.
Yeah.
The Philippines is the second.
Yes.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
On the online followers.
Online
Yes.
followers
Yes.
for the NBA, right?
On Facebook. Yeah.
Wow, that's a really interesting data and perspective on Filipino fans.
Yeah.
And building on that engagement, ArenaPlus also launched the NBA Playoffs MVP campaign. So what can fans expect in this phase?
That is first of all, that's a free to play. So everybody should play, in my opinion. If you know basketball, if you follow NBA, because it's a free play, no risk to you. You just need to be ArenaPlus player. You need to be over 21, of course, because we are a gambling brand, and you've done your KYC. Then you can play the prediction. So you just need to predict all the matchup in the playoff and the winner of each round. So that's a 15 round.
15 rounds.
15 rounds. So you just make sure that you predict all the 15 round result. You don't need to be the best. You don't need to be the perfect. Sorry, you don't need to be perfect. You don't need to get 15 right. It's a competition. So you just need to outbeat everyone else, and you can win the 100 million. That is the prize. So
How much?
100 million peso.
What? I'm sorry,
Yeah.
100 million pesos?
Yes. So it's a huge amount, and that's a guaranteed winner. So that's the beauty of this campaign. So we are not really trying to just throw some fancy number out there, right? So this is a 100 million peso guaranteed winner.
Oh, and how many winners?
Oh, one winner.
One winner.
So the trick is that you need to be the best prediction, and you need to be the earliest one to submit the prediction.
Earliest
one.
So if you are late, but you have the best prediction.
If you
and-
are if you are late
Uh-huh.
and you have the same accurate prediction, you will share a 50 million peso pool, but you are not gonna win the 100 million. But still, 50 million peso pool you can share.
Really?
Yeah.
So, what was your thought process about this kind of structure when you were thinking about this game?
In the US, there's March Madness about the NCAA bracket. So this is a traditional game already in the US for 20, 30 years. All the basketball fans play. And we think we need to bring that to Philippines. So because there's nothing like that in the past. So when we have discussing about the partnerships with NBA, we said, okay, what's the best way for fans to get engagement, right? So because that bracket game has been very popular in the US for so long, so I think that okay, we can bring that here. And we launched a 1 billion peso campaign by the end of March, but that is basically copied the US. You have to make a perfect bracket, and it's very, very difficult. And I would say because we call the campaign MVP Dream, because it's really a dream, because it's very, very difficult. You need to get all the 15 round correct, and all the 15 round with the correct result, like the best of 7. You need to get that correct as well to win the 1 billion. So we call this is a dream. It's not impossible technically, statistically, but it's really low chance. And what we want to talk about that, because we talk to the fans, then we talk to our players and about that campaign, and people talk about, oh, this is too difficult to play because it's very low chance, and then we come up this idea, why not just running a competition, right? So everybody can play, and you don't need to be perfect. You just need to show that I'm the best fan of NBA in Philippines, because I get all this result right. And with the new campaign, 100 million campaign, you don't really need to guess the best of 7. You just need to simply guess the winner. So basically, you choose the matchup and predict the winner of each round. It's much simple. It's easier. So I think we just want to bring the excitement for the fans. So on the playoff, and they just not watch the game, they predict the game and be part of the game. So this is more immersive experience for them.
Wow, very exciting. I think I'm gonna do it
You
now.
should play. You should play. Yeah, I mean anybody knows NBA, you should play. Yeah, I would say.
Wow, this is really an exciting news for everybody, especially to all the Filipinos fan out there. So of course, alongside with the excitement that we're feeling right now, user experience is the key. So how does ArenaPlus ensure a responsible and enjoyable experience for all the users?
So that's also one of the topic when we talk to NBA. So ArenaPlus wants to provide an engagement option for the players. So we are not really trying to push them, into gambling. So we see the sports betting is just part of the entertainment of the game, and it's an extension of your engagement with the game, right? So if you want to put some money on the table on the game while you watch the game, while you follow the game, it's up to you, right? So and it's give you some spice, more excitement, and that's an option for the fans. So that's also what we talk about, how we promote our business. Where we be very transparent with all the promotion we have. We comply with all the PACO rules. We also provide the tours on our website. You can set your limit, you can set your time limit, you can self-exclude, and you can basically make sure that there's a lot of tour for you to keep you in control. And also we have a helpline. So if you have anything, you need any help, you can come to our customer service and they're gonna help you. So that's our commitment to NBA, because they consider that very carefully. So when they choose the partner, they want to make sure they are responsible betting partners.
That's why NBA chose you.
I think so. Yes.
Wow, it's really an exciting news for everybody. So there you have it. ArenaPlus continues to elevate the fan experience, especially with its partnership with the NBA. And we're definitely looking forward to what's ahead. So this is really a total game changer for the Filipino NBA fans. Do you want to say something to all the Filipino NBA fans out there, sir?
Oh, just play the free game, and this is complete free, and you have a chance to win 100 million. Also, there's a raffle.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right after this interview, I'm gonna play it.
Yeah, you should
There's
play.
a raffle. So what
There's a
are
raffle.
we gonna win?
There's a raffle. As long as you submit your ticket, you got one raffle ticket, and then there's a chance to win. There's a 10 winner of 1 million peso by the end of the season.
10 winner of 1 million pesos.
Yeah, and it's free.
And it's free, guys.
Yeah.
It's free. Wow! So kung talagang nasiyahan kayo at na-amaze kayo sa mga balita ng ating very special guest, aba, sali na mga kabisyo at baka kayo na ang maswerteng mananalo ng premyo at may paraffol pa, free lang to. So thank you so much, Sir Erick, for joining me
Thank you.
on this show at sa ating mga kabisyo out there. So once again, this is DJ Raqi Terra saying, God bless and game responsibly. Bye, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Metro's #1 Love Radio.
Basic!
Every journey begins with a dream. On the court, one truth is clear. Winning is sweet, but it's the losses that build your strength. The ball can take everything, yet it always finds its way back. And in that moment, the choice is yours. To rise, to reset, to play smart.
We rose above the odds, so can you.